happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a little testing. I'm doing a commission piece for a client, and she liked some of the colors that I used in a previous painting. And so we're testing two different theories. We're going to either go with an open cup pour or we're going to go with a swipe and spin. So what I want to do today is I'm going to go ahead and test out the open cup pour using these colors. But I'm not going to have a lot of cells. So I'm going to be doing a disrupted open cup pour. But what I want to do is I want to drag the cup through it and really breaking up the cells, creating more of a kind of a wave pattern instead of just leaving the cells as is. I know with some of my disrupted open cup pours, I disrupt them, but there's still a lot of cells. This one I'm going to scale back quite a bit. So I think that's going to work out with these colors. Hopefully that also won't create too much of the blending of the colors, because I'm using a red and a green kind of color. So that can create some havoc in a painting. So let's get down on the canvas. I'll explain what I'm going to do. Be right back. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm testing out these colors for my client to see which technique is going to be best, if she's going to like the open cup pour or if we're going to go with a swipe and spin technique. This is my Phthalo blue. This is my bright aqua green. This color we're changing up. So I used gold in my previous video. She wanted me to use silver, so I'm going with silver, my kryptonite color. And then this is a combination of primary magenta mixed with some Pebeo iridescent violet blue. Beautiful color, but we wanted to pink it up a little bit. And so my base coat is going to be my soft body white. I painted my edges and sides white. That way I've got enough paint that's going to be on the canvas. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's do this. Let's do it in the old Kathleen Cause Creations way. Let's put a bunch of paint down and let it run. So what I'm going to do first is pour out some of my white here. Place that cup right in the center. Then I'm going to pour just a little bit more around the edge. So my first color, I'm going to pour from up high. What's going to happen is the gravity is going to push the blue down below the white, and as I keep pouring colors in, it's going to push out. So let's fill that up with blue. Turquoise. Silver. Primary magenta. Using out. Letting those cells just come on through. I'm just going to twist this around over here to the center. Oh yeah, there's a lot of paint in there. That's going to look nice. We'll do just a little bit of white around here. With the blue again. turquoise. Silver. And magenta. Let's give this a little bit of a torch. Torch pops the air bubbles, but it also kind of brings some of that color trapped, trying to get up through the white. Will bring it up. Just push this down a little bit. So now I'm going to disrupt everything. Lifting up. Just a little bit of torch. A little bit of extra paint here. Need to get rid of. Oh, I love what's happening here. The cells are coming up through. The magenta and the blue plays really, really great. and the turquoise and the magenta are playing great. Sometimes when you layer a green and a pink or red together, it does not create a beautiful color. But what's happening is that silver is separating it, and it's oh so subtle. Man, this is really, really nice. All right, let's clean up the edges. Do a torch, and I'll bring you guys in. All right, everyone, here is the wet result. I love this composition. I love how the lines just move from the bottom up to the top there. The cells are finally starting to pop through as they make their way to the surface. Great negative space, just fantastic. All right, let's see this when it's dry. All right, here we are with the dried result. It dried beautiful. Love the colors, loving the white negative space. All right, everyone, that's it for the video. That is the piece. This dried so wonderful. I got exactly out of it what I was hoping. So I did still keep some of the cells from the open cup, but it's not taking over. I got them, I disrupted the flow of them. I created that nice wave and line pattern through there. The silver is showing up, which is fantastic, because silver seems to be one of my colors of menace. But overall, like the piece, and I showed this to her. She does like it. It's a little bit too on the blue side. So next what I'm gonna do is I am gonna do these same colors, but I'm gonna do in a swipe pattern and spin. See how that comes out. All right, so this one is definitely going to get the gloss varnish to it or resin. I haven't decided, but whichever of the two she doesn't pick, then that's the one that's going to go up on the website for sale. So keep your eye out for that. Don't forget, you can head over to my website, studio15acrylics.com. Head over to the shop, and I'm slowly adding more paintings, and I'm going to be adding my coasters and hexagon tiles to that as well, and my clocks. It's taking me a little bit of time, but I'm getting it all added. So thanks for tuning in, everyone. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.